Okay, so I'm struggling to get my account and password to update for whatever reason. When I click update account, oh, that's working, so everything's good. But when I change something to update it, it says update failed. Same with the password. Just show you real quick. Also, there's an error updating your password. So I'll just show my functions real quick. Really, the biggest issue is with the form pulling up the client ID. For some reason, I'm having some issues there, but here's my update account information, and all of that looks good to me, but maybe someone can catch something that I'm not catching. And then here on my password has the same. And then in my controller, I've got my update account case. I'm just kind of scrolling through so that maybe someone can see something that I missed. And then here's my new password case. And I have tried to do this echo statement just to see what it's pulling up. So I'll show that real quick. So when I come here and change something and update my account, it shows the first name, last name, and email, but the ID, client ID, isn't showing up for some odd reason. So if anyone has any suggestions or has run into this problem, I would appreciate the help. Thank you.